Tim,
Anyway,
how often do you use your meta glasses? He uses them daily.
so Jamil, I'll be honest with you. Um, I was about to say something
He
real trifling, but
records
I won't.
them without people's consent, like me.
Well, we call it ashy.
You
But
wouldn't
I'm
do
not
this.
ashy. I mean, I'm just. This is the color of my skin.
Would you moisturize
Yes.
if you look at the back of your heels?
You see this slander?
No.
Yo, you out of pocket, yo.
Oh, you are so out of line. You are so out of line. So out of line.
Here you go. Here you go. That's because you were slandering our sister, and I wanted to get it on tape. I got it on tape. You
I
slandering
should
Courtney.
sue your ass.
I got it on. Listen, man. With that being said, though, the whole listen, it was beeping. It was showing you that it was recording.
I was
So,
busy moving, man.
but I want to answer this question honestly, Jamil. The first month I had him, I used them every day. I was going around walking through properties. But to be honest with you, to be very transparent with you, I don't use them that much. I don't use them that much. The
Is
the
it
the
because you
novelty
forget?
the novelty wore off kind of fast, and now 90% of the time they're not even on. Their prescription in here, so I wear them, but I don't record that often. I don't use the AI tools that often because I talk to my phone. Like so, you know. Steve said something that I was going to say, but I would chill. That's why I said I'm gonna leave that alone. I was going to say something crazy, but
Yes, it does. And that's all the stuff we love.
Steve, that's the
Oh, wow.
see, I was going to make a comment like that, but I'm trying to keep it PC, man.